Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube videos on Android or iOS. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our YouTube app. So let's open it. Once we are here, we want to go into our library. By clicking on the bottom right of our screen, you want to tap that library icon right there. And from here, we can see the Your Videos. Right there, it has this icon. We want to tap on it. And from that, we can also already see all the videos that we have in this channel, and you just simply need to select the video or locate the video that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete the first video that I have here. So all I have to do is simply tap on the three dots that is arranged vertically at the side of this video, just like it here. So I want to tap on this, and this would bring up a lot of options, and one of the options there would be to delete this video, as you can see right here. So I want to tap on this one right there, and it says delete this video, and we want to tap on delete. And that is basically it. That is how you delete YouTube videos in Android or iOS.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.